Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Bitget wallet on iOS. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Bitget wallet on your iPhone, firstly go ahead and launch open your App Store. On the search box at the top, type in Bitget and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Get option right next to your application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Bitget application on your iPhone quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.